going live. All right. So we barely just got on the charts. So y'all are gonna see how exactly I set up my charts to take trades. So y'all are gonna see how I set up everything, bro. So then y'all can learn how I take trades in the markets. Oh, bro, I low key kind of just woke up, just now, but should low key should low key posted on my story like, hey, I'm going live. But nah, it's alright. Okay, so gotta mark off your Asian session start, Asian session close, London start. Then this is London session all the way to New York pre-market, then New York open, and then oh, that's oil. Bro, the oil dude got that, bro. Like, if y'all were in the last live, there is a guy who says he trades oil and he's an insider or something. And he guessed it. Like, yeah, it did crash down all the way to $93, bro. So, yo, that's actually crazy, bro. But right now, we're getting everything marked off. This is how I start off my trades. Okay, so basically, just going off of this, these are Asian session highs up here. And they got taken out by London session. These are Asian session lows, and they got taken out by Asian session. And if we look on ES, same thing, or actually, no. New York pre-market took them out, but Asian session lows were still taken out by Asian session. But if we see with London highs, yeah, they were taken out by New York pre-market, but the London lows are still there and are still valid. But looking at Nasdaq, yeah, the London highs were also taken out by that, and the London lows are still available right down here. There's no SMTs unless there was one made on the higher time frame, which is what we're gonna check. So what I like to do is I like to mark off my daily highs and daily lows from the previous day. So okay, look, you can see previous day lows were taken out, but previous day highs are still there. So we're gonna mark those off too. And we're gonna mark off that the previous day lows were swept out. All right, and then with this is Nasdaq, then you can mark off your daily highs up here, and you can take off your daily lows right here. And there is no SMTs. No SMTs that I see. Yeah, there's nothing. So just have to see what this market creates for us. But this is the 4 hour, and what I like to do from the 4 hour is I mark off all my 4 hour highs and lows. So all you do is just find your highs and lows, which is literally just like this. Okay, that's a low. This is a 4 hour high right up here. That's a 4 hour high right here. That's a 4 hour high right here. Another 4 hour high right there. And here and here. So there's tons of highs to the upside. Tons of highs to the upside. So this can tell you that price could go up, and it's looking like it's starting to retrace back up, but you need to take out spots of liquidity before it starts to reverse back up. So maybe we might get on New York Open price to just open down and then start to go back up. So let's also mark off our 4 hours, 4 hour highs and lows on Nasdaq too. So there's that high, that high, that high, that high, that high. We'll just keep it to right there. And then let's mark off our lows too. This is right here. You mark the most open highs and lows that haven't been swept. Yeah, you have to mark off the ones that haven't been swept. And yeah, you just go on from there. But if it starts like reaching all the way like down here, bro, then that's like pushing it. Because like you got to think about it too. Right now, Nasdaq, let's see how much percent. It's okay, so it's up 0.42%. This is maybe like going down to like 3%, like negative 3%, which Nasdaq does not often do that unless there is like high impact news, say like the Iran news and everything. There's like tons of news that it's like, yo, like it's gonna make it drop a lot, of course, but we mark everything off so then we can have levels to target for our take profit, and we use the most recent ones. So, or actually, no, hold up. There is an SMT from the 1 hour. Okay, yeah, there is an SMT, guys. So you can see that right here, price hit this 1 hour. Price hit the 1 hour and reversed off of it. But in turn, if you look on NASDAQ, you can see that the price is still all the way up here. This is a high time frame bullish SMT, which tells you that price is going to go up. So if say like you were in London session and you were watching this drop during Asian session and you caught that, S&P 500 crashed but hit this 1 hour low, but NASDAQ didn't, you could have bought around here and been holding. So, hey, I'm glad I'm on paper right now. I just started like a month ago. Hey, that's what's up, bro. Hey, I mean, yo, we all start somewhere, bro, and you just gotta be learning. Okay, but you also gotta check Forex Factory too. So you can see that a ton of news did come out, and this news made it spike up a lot. And usually what I like to go off of it is, depending on what the news is if it says this, whenever it's red, it means bad for currency, good for stocks. So that means price usually likes to take out liquidity before it starts doing what it wants to do. But it just spiked up, and there's also green, which means good for currency, bad for stocks. So honestly, this is mixed stuff. So we're gonna have to wait till 9 a.m. news to see what that does. And right now, market's about to open, so we're gonna see what that exactly does, and just go on from there. Just go on from there, bro. But these are daily highs. And yeah. You're just going to see how it goes. But honestly, I think my bias is going to be bullish. There's a high time frame SMT on a 1 hour. We're probably just going to fill in a spot liquidity into a 1 hour gap or so. So let's mark that off too. So yeah, see, look, 1 hour gap right here. So if price is going to retrace back down, you can use your Fibonacci and then just wait till price hits that. And let's go on NASDAQ also and mark that off too, which NASDAQ does have a gap all the way down here. So if price does like to go all the way down here, it's good, gives us a better entry. There's these two 1 hour gaps, but if you use Fibonacci, which we're gonna take the trade on Nasdaq because it's the leading index. How many confluences do you use? I use a 4 hour to mark liquidity or the 1 hour. So bro, I use my daily bias, SMTs, break of structure, fair value gap retracement or inverse fair value gap retracement into equilibrium or Fibonacci, and also news. That's about it. Okay, but market's about to open in like 1 minute. So let's just see what it does and see if we can get a retracement all the way down into either the 618 level or the 0.5 level. And if it starts to retrace back up, then we're gonna go onto the 1 minute to try finding a retrace into a fair value gap and then just buy up. I'm not gonna lie, I've been using liquidity sweep and breaker structure after in my trades I've been hitting. Yeah, bro, breaker structure and liquidity sweep are low key the method, bro. Alright, but let's see what it does. Market's about to open right now. Let's see what this does. And you also still have to wait a little bit after market open. You can't just like go up and that. Is this? Are you on ES right now? Nah, this is Nasdaq, bro. But I trade both. Right now we're just gonna be some like full porting some evals, but we're just trying to find a setup. So then, boom, by next week we have ourselves a funded because these are Apex evals, which are like, bro, $20 for an eval, bro. Yo, come on, bro. What else can you ask for? But right now, we are barely into market open, so we gotta wait. But I'm honestly thinking price might just shoot up even more. Price had taken out Asian session lows liquidities, and ES took out 1 hour lows, but Nasdaq didn't, so that makes an SMT. So just depending on the setup that we have right now, that's the setup we're gonna take, but we just have to wait. $20 for an eval. Yes, bro. If you go on Apex right now and you get yourself a 50K eval intraday trading and put it on Tradeovate, it's literally $20 if you use a code, bro. Like, yo, what? $20 for an eval? And the activation fee is only like $79. So it's like, yo, you're literally paying the same amount for like an eval, and then it's like, yo, like, you're still paying the same amount, and it's also a one-time fee too. It's not a monthly subscription. So, yo, DSJ Net is like a trading Bitcoin day trade. Nah, I've not heard of that dude, bro. I'm sorry, I haven't heard of him. Okay, well, we're barely 2 minutes into market, and it's still just staying here, so gotta wait and see. So far, nothing, bro. What's the max you lost into trading? Okay, bro, so these are evals, bro. It's not like I'm actually losing so much, but I would say, like, before I actually started really making money, bro, I probably lost around like $500 to $800 before, like, I actually, like, was really, like, making money. I'm trying to start trading, and I've been studying for 2 months, but my parents won't let me. I'm so pissed, bro. I mean, my parents were not, like, trying to let me do this either, bro, but I still do it. As long as you're 18, bro, just go make yourself an account. Buy yourself accounts where it's like a one-time fee. Bro, get yourself an Apex account. $20 for an account. They probably won't even think much about it. Just be like, yo, look, I'm only paying $20. And then, like, after you pass it, and then, I'm not 18, though. Well, that's the thing, bro. You're not 18. You got to be 18 to do this, bro. Okay, well, let's look at ES and Nasdaq. You can see they're both just staying there. If this starts just getting a big push up, then we're just going to go on to the 1 minute, find a retrace, and then we're just going to go on from there. In a good month or two, a good payout. There's a website where parental control so your kid can do. Yeah, bro, but the thing is, you got to put your actual funds into it, bro. And, bro, imagine you lose all the money that you have in there, bro. Then it's just going to be bad, bro. You're better off doing an eval. Unless, like, you can get your parents to let you get an eval, then, bro, that's good. But having, like, a personal account and everything, bro, yo, you have a Discord? Yeah, I do, bro. I have funds, bro. Trust me, bro. Well, bro, tell your parents. Let me get an eval. It's only $20. Tell them that. Like, it's $20 to get one. It's a one-time fee, and they can make you one, bro. And then you just trade with that, and that's it. Like, yo, Apex is really good. Just as long as you stay with the rules and everything. And I'm gonna be back though. Okay, boom. Price is dumping right now. What's the discount? Discord. Just type in Nary Trade 66 and boom, it's like that. Okay, look, we're getting price to retrace. Hopefully, we can get it a retrace into these gaps right here. I'm pretty sure I marked them off on like the 30-minute, not 1 hour. Marked them off on the 1 hour, so we're gonna see if price can give us a good retrace off of them. I would more likely want to see a retrace into the point 0.5 or 0.618 level. There is a 1 hour gap right here, so if it does get down into here and then we see a breaker structure and inverse gap going up, then we're gonna take that, bro. But right now, looks like we're just gonna be here for a bit. This is ES. It just stayed there. But we gotta wait and be patient. Unless if we go into the 1 minute and then we see an inverse gap coming off of here and then a break above this high, then possibly we could take a long after that. So see, look, there's a 1 minute gap right here. If we see this gap get inverse right here, and then price starts to push up, close above these highs, then we could go long and just put our stops right there at the lows. And it could make an SMT right here on the 1 minute. But I don't really like to go off of 1 minute SMTs. But I mean, then again, there is a high time frame SMT that did get made at the bottom of the trend. So hey, we just gonna see how this goes, bro. We're full porting evals. Apex accounts. But I would like to see a better retrace though. But if we do see this 5 minute candle close above this high, I might take longs and just put my stops at the bottom because you can see there is an SMT being made here from this to this and from that to that. So gotta wait and see. But overall, my bias is bullish. Yo, how can I find your Discord? My bad if you said it wasn't there. Bro, just so you can see how my TikTok is spelled out Nary Trades and then just put 66 at the end of it and you're chilling like that, bro. Okay, we did get 1 minute inverse. So now if we see price break above these highs, we might take longs after that, which is like, yo, why are you taking longs after like all this? But bro, there's gonna be a breaker structure and all that. So daily bias is bullish. Yes, bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. Daily bias is bullish. Right now, we did get a 1 minute inverse on the 1 minute. And if we get a close above these highs, then I'm going to be taking longs, bro. Honestly. Honestly. but we gotta wait. Cause we did get an SMT here, but there was already a high time frame SMT at the lows, so we just have to wait. Nah, bro, too early to hop in. Yeah, that's why I'm saying. Yeah, I gotta let it wait, cause like, bro, it's barely like 10 minutes into market open. We just have to wait, bro. I was telling myself, yo, okay, I'm gonna wait till at least I get a retrace into the point 0.5 level, which is equilibrium, or the 0.618 level. There's these gaps here, but price didn't even go into the gaps yet, so I feel like we still haven't gotten a good enough retrace yet. So yeah, nah. I mean, it's barely 10 minutes into market open, so I still gotta wait, bro. Still gotta wait. The inverse validates. That inverse just validates our bias. Yeah. The inverse on the 1 minute, yeah. But we still have to wait though. Still have to wait and see what's up. This 1 minute inverse. This still didn't break above highs. If it was really like just trying to push up towards it, then yeah. But also news is gonna come out at 9. If our bias is bullish, the news should help it push up. So we also gotta wait and see what Forex Factory says right here on Jolt's job openings and all this. So hey, we just gotta wait and see. Uh, Price is starting to push up though. But honestly, the best thing we can do since price is pushing up is wait till it makes a full move and then we catch a retrace off of that. You don't go to school, bro. No, well today is spring or this week I had spring break, bro. So I'm just chilling. Just chilling, bro. Shit, today I'm gonna get a haircut too, bro. Let's go. So now we gotta wait for this retrace. Oh shit, mine starts next week, but I'm out already from college. Shit, hell yeah, bro. Well, good luck with all that, bro. We just gotta see what we get from this. That's Nasdaq. This is ES. ES is starting to push above those highs, so we're gonna get rid of this. And also, same thing with this. We're gonna get rid of this. So honestly, what we might do is go into 1 minute and then just possibly just try to catch a retracement into Fibonacci from the high to the low and see what trades we can get off of that. And then if our bias stays bullish, then we can target these daily highs and all these 4 hour highs up here. These like stacked up 4 hour highs. We're going to take the trade on NASDAQ since it is the leading index. What app to use? I use TradingView, bro. We just hit a high on bias for 1 hour, sitting on break of on 5 minute. Bro, you talking about this 1 hour high? But it's starting to push up, bro. I think our bias is still gonna stay strong, bro. I mean, honestly. But this 5 minute candle going up is crazy, bro. Okay. Just closed. We're gonna see if we can get a retrace onto the 1 minute. If it starts pushing down. I don't see any gaps on the 1 minute though. Is this daytime trading? You do? Bullish for today? Yeah, I was saying bullish too. Yeah, I do make money from this. Oh, bro. Price is pumping up though. Who knows? It could take out these daily highs and then just start to reverse. But this could be a fair value gap right here. We just have to be patient and wait for a retracement. News is gonna come out in like 13 minutes, so we also have to look out for that too. See what it does for the market. Gotta still wait. Let's check out the 1 minute. Because 1 minutes can be your entry. Okay, so see, we did get that closing candle above their bearish. So see if we can get a retrace into this fair value gap that got left. But that was on the 1 minute, so who knows? Still gotta wait, bro. This is a process of just waiting. The price is starting to push down, so let's see what's up. Candle's about to close in a minute. Price is starting to go down, so hopefully we can get it into this fair value gap and possibly take a trade after that. Bro, my leg low-key hurt, bro. Low-key hit myself bad. Okay, candle's about to close right now. Boom. Candle close. Okay, so now we can wait for a retracement into this fair value gap, and if we see it tap into these levels right here, then we can be good. But if it inverses it in total and then we get a breaker structure right here, then we're gonna have to take shorts after that, honestly. Maybe. We just have to wait and see. And also because news is gonna come out in 10 minutes, bro. So we also gotta see how it reacts off of that. But honestly, if we get a good retrace into these levels, then bro, it ain't gonna inverse. Yeah, no, well, yeah. I mean, but then again, like you never know what markets are gonna do. That's why they tell you to be patient, see what it does with this fair value gap, and then you take a trade off of that. So we're gonna wait for this gap, see what it does. But I mean, yeah, I'm still going for longs though. We're still gonna wait. Don't hop in before news. Bro, if okay, see, look, what I like to do with news, bro, is say like if it happens during pre-market, I like to say that it likes to take out liquidity, and then the news after the pre-market news, it helps it go in the direction it wants it to go. But say like with the news that happened just now, it took out nothing, so market opened and just opened down a little bit, made an SMT, and then it just wanted to push up. So honestly, I think the news will just help it go up, bro. But then again, like, bro, you just have to wait and see. But this setup wasn't exactly like how I would go on with news, like trading news. But like I always say, is like, oh, news likes price likes to do what it wants to do before it wants to do what news wants it to do. Like that's how I go off of it. But it didn't do anything. So and it's the news is just Jolt's jobs opening, which I think Loki might make it like spike up, and then it's just orange folder news. So this is why price maybe is like Loki like chilling out, but let's just see, bro. Look, price is starting to go up. But if you check on the 1 minute, it still hasn't closed above these highs. As long as it doesn't close above these highs, then I think it should be good. But just have to wait. News is gonna happen in like 7 minutes. 5 minute fair value gap valid. Well, you can only see if it's valid if you can see on the 1 minute it did tap into it and now it's starting to reverse back up. But if it still gets a deeper retrace, then that would be better. But the only time it would not be valid is if you see price right here, it did tap into it, and then if it breaks above this high, then okay, yeah, it's done. Like you can take this off. But if it starts going in more and you get a candle close below it, then it's not valid anymore. So we just have to wait and see what this candle does, and then yeah, we will go. Don't trade before news, bro. Well, bro, I'm still not finding a setup anyway, so it's not like I'm gonna put in a trade. But look, bro, let's see what news does. Let's see what news does. But right now it's like, yo, it's pumping up, but it still didn't give us a close above that high. So I mean, still have to wait, bro. And I got tons of stuff to do too outside of the house, so I'm just gonna full port and then just boom, leave, done. But we just gotta wait. News is gonna happen in like 5 minutes, basically. Oh, bro, I'm actually so tired, bro. Okay, the 5 minute candle closed. Now we just need one more, and then it's news. Let's see what this candle does. On the 1 minute, it's just chilling there, but let's see ES. Yeah, they're both just doing the same thing. So we just have to wait. See if we can get a deeper retrace. Hopefully, News can give us a deeper retrace, and then boom, from there, we can be chilling. But also, there is this 15-minute gap that is gonna get made. So honestly, if we see that we get a retrace into the 15-minute gap instead of that 5 minute gap, then honestly, I think that might be better, bro. So yeah, that 15-minute gap, I feel like that's better. We're gonna mark that off instead. But we still have 5 minutes till news. Oh shoot, I don't know if like my thing was recording, bro. Bro, hopefully the audio is recording on here. Damn, bro. I might have just like lost all the footage because the audio wasn't connected, bro. Hopefully not, bro. I was looking kind of rushing to get all this set up. Cause I low key woke up at like 8. And market opens like 30 minutes after that, so it's kind of getting rushed. Hey, we got 10 people in the live, bro. What's up to everybody? What's up to everybody? Yes, we forgot to unchange that, bro. Okay, well, price is starting to come back down. Let's see if we can get a good retrace into there and then be chilling. Then we can also see what news does. Wonder if y'all can see that. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see it better. Starting to tap into that fair value gap. Which level you look for on the fib? Either the point 0.5 or the 0.618, bro. Those are the levels I usually like to look for. And I'm barely just adding this in, so like I'm trying to learn this the Fibonacci because equilibrium, bro, equilibrium and Fibonacci are the same exact thing except Fibonacci just has more levels on it and it's more advanced. That's literally all it is, bro. But yeah, we're just gonna see what it do. Bro, price is dumping down though, but we got 30 seconds left until news, so let's see what's up. Let's see what is up. I'm pooping right now. All right, bro. All right, bro. Okay, price is dumping into the 15-minute gap. So let's see what this does. And also news is gonna come out just like right now. So let's see what news does with this. If it invalidates this gap or not. And we can also see what news tells us here. Still pending. News is making it bullish. Okay, good for currency, bad for stocks. Price is still staying the same. Let's wait for these other ones. Stayed the same. So inflation stayed the same. And what else? Price is going up though. So that's exactly what we were looking for. Think I should get a $20 Apex account for next week? Yes, bro. 20, bro. It's a one-time fee, and you literally just pass it. And say like you do fail it, like bro, you only lost $20. Like yo, that's actually like cheat codes. And the activation fee is $79. So you're basically paying the same amount, except say like you lose the eval, then it's like yo, you only lost $20 instead of like 100. And with that $100 that you would have spent on evals, say like you just kept losing evals, like yo, you could buy six, eight, five accounts with that, bro. But the thing is, yeah, there's activation fees. Okay, so news, both of them came out good for currency, bad for stocks. So, I would say maybe you would like to seek out liquidity, which could be in this fair value gap fill in orders, and then give us a break up. So what we're gonna do and wait for is we're gonna wait for this 5 minute breaker structure right here. If we get a 5 minute breaker structure right here, then we're gonna enter in because there is this 15-minute gap retracing into Fibonacci and then just go off from there. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to wait for all this. Oh, bro. Okay, price is starting to go down. Oh, we can adjust this gap too. It's like this. Hey, but make sure with those Apex accounts, bro, you use the code. Use the code, bro, because then if not, you're gonna pay like $180, bro. So remember to use the code, bro. Use the code, bro. Okay, hey, look, price is starting to tap into these levels, so let's see what it do. If it gives us that good retrace, then hey, we gonna be set. But you just gotta wait. Gotta wait and be patient. And if it inverses it, bro, then yo, I don't know, but we just have to wait and see whose code you use or any works. Nah, if you just type in like full capital save now, then it takes off like 80% and then you get your account for $20, bro. So it literally just use code save now, like, and it's all caps. Or I'm pretty sure there's that one dude, Shinobi Signals. What if I use yours? I don't got a code, bro. I don't got no code, bro. Bro. So okay, so if our position ends up being up here, we're gonna put our stop to here, and then our take profits can be at those 4 hour highs that are all the way up there. Target all these. Let's see how it does with just like 10 contracts. How much are we risking for that? Like 3K? But 8K. Yeah, it's low key a bit. We only need 3K. 3K to pass the account. Boom. Let's do 5. So that's gonna be half of that. 1.5, and then our position would be all the way up here for 3K. And then our stops. Let's see our stop. We'll have it at like 1K. If we get a 1 minute inverse and then 5 minute breaker structure, that would be a perfect setup right there. It tapped into equilibrium level 2. Bro, who's snoring? Damn, bro, what's that sound? You didn't go for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. Yo, hold up. Damn, bro, I was about to get you some bread. Well, bro, I don't got a code. I always see that indicator golden ratio. What does that really mean? It's just a advanced equilibrium. Where do you change micros or minis? I'm trading on micros. Damn, bro, what's that sound? It's 3K total daily to pass the account. You just need 3K to pass the account, bro. Who's snoring? Semi passing by, straight up farting. Bro. Thor. 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 Yo, you don't want to. Yeah, look at him. He's cute, bro. Yeah. He smells bad too, bro. Thor thinking about the trend on the day right now. Chill on him, bro. Okay, well, there's this 1 minute gap. Honestly, if we inverse it, because this gap was already used, if we inverse it, bro, I'm going to enter in. Because if I had my stop all the way up there, I wouldn't want to have it up there, bro. I don't know. Unless I just size down and then, like, okay, then we can just be chilling like that. That's what I could do, realistically, just so then, like, I can be chilling, but low key, I think I should play it smart. I think I should just size down. It is a 50K, so like using that much, and we still have like all this room left. So let's see how much for like 3 contracts. That's usually how much I do for these accounts, 50Ks. So we're gonna do 3 contracts. It would be like that much, and then our risk would be less, bro. You see? So we're gonna put it to like 600, which is like double the amount of risk I would do, but hey, it's okay. It's a $20 eval, bro. Okay. Let's see what it does. Oh shoot, y'all can't even see the charts. Okay, there you go. See, the price is starting to dump right now, bro. But it could just be tapping into this 618 level. On a 15 minute, there's still 6 minutes left on the chart, so not too worried, not too worried. Could easily have our position down here. And then just let it ride like that, low key. So then I could show you how Fibonacci works. But I don't know, I wouldn't want to risk it. Not yet. Gotta see how this candle closes. Still gotta wait for this candle and next candle. Did you buy in already? No, not yet, bro. Not yet. I still have not gone in yet. Gotta wait to see what this gap does. This is a 15-minute gap, bro. It did tap into the 618 level, so if I do see a good retrace off of it, I'm entering in, bro. Yeah, see, look, it's starting to retrace off of it. So filled in all the orders, and then now it's going to start pushing back up, which is what our bias was originally. So we just have to wait and see, bro. What's up, Nary? Hope you're doing good, bro. You able to give me permissions in Discord? I can only access the free chat. Just type The public chat, yeah, bro. You gotta type in there, bro. I literally had the dude who like owns it in here, bro. You're gonna have to. I'll probably type in there, bro. I'll be like, hey, like I invited all these people, like get them access to type and all that, like, yo. But I think you just gotta type in there, and be like, yo, let me talk, like, bro, let me talk. All right, we still have this 5 minutes left, so let's see if it gives us a good retrace or not. If it does, we're chilling. But if not, if it inverses it, bro, might just go down, bro, because of news. Thanks, dude. Yeah, no problem, bro. Good luck on trading session. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. We just gotta wait to see how this 5 minute candle closes, bro. But honestly, if it inverses the 15 minute gap, it might go down. It might go down. Not gonna lie, bro. It look like it's going lower. Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. That's why you had to wait, bro. But hey, there still could be chances where it's like, yo, it could reverse, but you just have to wait. There's still 5 minutes left on this. So you just have to wait, bro. Just wait. Be patient. Be patient, bro. See, like right now it's starting to like push back up. Like you never know, bro. You just have to wait. Yo, what's up, Daniel? What's up, bro? Do you still have your account or did you lose it? I still have it. Hey, that's what's up, bro. Good, bro. Good. No, bro, my account, I lost that thing, bro. So right now I'm trading on Apex, cause their evals are cheap, bro. $20 for an eval and it's a one-time fee. Yo, come on, bro. But it looks like this gap might get inverse. We might go lower, bro. Honestly, target those lows. But yeah. Oh yeah, this dude. Yeah, this is the guy that I was talking about. Hold up. I'm gonna invite you in, bro. I know, bro, low key, huh? But my computer actually, I don't know how to connect my Apex. I thought it was incompatible, bro. No, it's literally just like you get your TradeAvate account and then boom, you're just like that, bro. Like it's like the same way you do with other prop firms. Like you connect it to TradingView just like that. Caitlin, what's up? What's up, Caitlin? You're actually in the live while I'm trading. Hey, come on, join in. Oh yeah, I didn't figure out how to connect it until like I stopped using Top Step. Bruh, well, I don't know. I'm just saying $20 evals, bro. $20 evals. Bro, we got 1 minute left on this candle, bro. I don't know. We might have inversed this gap. If so, then it's gonna continue lower. But it's only if we see it, a candle just close like that. We just gotta wait and see. Gotta wait and see. Caitlin, join the live. Join the live. What you doing? Oh, yeah, we got like 19 seconds. Yo, hold up. It might low key. we might be chilling, but it's gonna be a small close. Let's see the 5 minute. Yeah, bro. I don't know. Yeah, it might have inversed it, bro. Oh, I can barely talk. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, nah, then it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Hopefully, everything gets better soon. So then you can actually be talking. Okay, guys. Well, the 15-minute gap was inverse. Ah, thank you. Yes. Yes. Okay, so the 15-minute gap was just inverse. We're just gonna wait for a breaker structure right here, and then we're gonna go short, and then probably just take out all of these here. So you can see that yeah, there's these London lows, 1 hour lows, and then there's these 4 hour lows all the way down here. But we only need to get 3K. So we're just gonna get this 3K past this account, and then boom, we're out just like that. Boom, chilling. So come on, let's go, bro. Let's go. We're gonna pass this account, and then try getting a payout within next week, hopefully. Please, next week or the end of the week or end of the month, bro. I'm gonna pass this with you. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. We both go pass our accounts, bro. We both gonna pass it. We both gonna pass it. All right, bro. It cuts to a clip where we both blow our accounts and all that. Bro. Bro. Bro, I'm trading oil right now. Bro, the oil dude. Yo, okay, yo, you. I think you, bro. Remember the oil dude? Bro, he guessed it. It did get down to $93, bro. Nah, bro. We might have an insider, bro. Yo, we might have an insider, bro. Might. Okay, so see, look, this SMT was invalidated on ES, and we also got a breaker structure on the 5 minute already on ES. Um, I don't see any SMTs made on the upside, but we are gonna slowly get that breaker structure. So, hey, bro, not for real. But I mean, it was an eval, bro. So it's like, yo, like I wouldn't have gotten anything. Yo, ES is already starting to make the moves. But once we get this 5 minute breaker structure, we're gonna enter in and then put stops above here, and then target like probably London lows, 1 hour lows, maybe a little bit past that. But right now, oil's in long positions. Passing eval on oil is okay, easy as fuck. Well, bro, I don't trade oil. I don't want to look at oil. I don't want to look at oil, bro. All right, we're gonna get our shorts ready. Put our stops up to here, and we're gonna risk like 3 contracts. Yeah, we're not gonna go crazy. I think probably 3K is like around there. Shorts, 3 contracts. How much are we risking? 700, and then where's how much is down here? 2.4. Now we need 3K. Yo, this is like a pretty big take profit too, but honestly, low key, if we go for 5 contracts instead, 5 contracts. But the thing is, my stop would have to be shorter. So yeah, we're gonna have to stick with three, and just be risking like the whole account. Join my Telegram group, link of my bio TikTok profile. Yo, hell no. Bro, I watched someone who is a fractional trader. They go off for probability. He ping ponged and wasn't off by a single point on gold. Damn, bro. bro. No, I'm not. And no, bro. Hey, no, but that dude who, what is a fractional trader, bro? What is that? I bet. Bro, this thing is just staying there. Still have not gotten a 5 minute break of structure unless, hold up, because ES did take out all the way down here. That's an SMT. If we get a 5 minute break of structure to the upside, that could be an easy buy. We just have to wait. I'm open to both. I'm open to both. But if we see a breaker structure on the 5 minute going down on NASDAQ, then we're taking shorts. A train trades. Look at his story. Straight ping pong. Then a at hit 2K on each on all of his 8 accounts. Hey, that's what's up, bro. Bro, I don't know. Gotta see. Bro. Yeah, bro. I was expecting buys till daily highs, but I didn't inverse 1 hour. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think I did see a 1 hour gap. Price action so dookie. Whoa, bro. Just gotta wait. Gotta be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. Bro, but we're low key reaching though for this take profit. I mean, nah, we're up like 44. I think it could get that. It's a 1 to 3. That's a 1 to 3 right there. I think we'll be good. It's targeting London lows, 1 hour lows, and all that. No, I'm not in yet. No, not yet, bro. I'm waiting for a break of structure on either side. Waiting for that break of structure, bro. Until we get that, then that's when I'll enter in. Uh, Daniel, let's get you in, bro. Let's get you in. I'm pretty bored here, bro. If you can join, that would be what's up. It would be cool, bro. Yo,
What's up, bro?
what's up, bro? How you doing?
Good, bro. How about you?
Shit, bro, I'm low key tired, bro. I woke up at like 8 and market opens for me at 8:30, bro. So I was like low key rushing everything and just like, yo, but yeah.
Damn, bro. I've been up since like 5. Ain't gonna lie.
Damn, wait, where are you even from though?
I'm from Nebraska, bro.
So right now, what time is it for you?
Right now it's 9:23.
Oh, okay, now then we both got the same. Damn, 5, bro.
You might be close, bro.
Nah, yeah. Nah, bro, I'm in Texas, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That's
Hey.
good, bro.
Wait, what do you use to trade, bro? Like, what are you using to trade?
What do you mean?
What prop firm?
Right now I'm using Lucid.
Lucid. Hey, yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up.
Yeah, I'm using a 50K Pro.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Nah, bro, I might low key stick with
I need to
Apex,
reach my
bro.
2K buffer, and then I could request whatever after that, I think.
Above the buffer.
Yeah,
What kind of
it's
account?
it's the Pro. But I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure that's the best one I could afford, though.
Uh
So
huh.
I picked it, and it was like it wasn't that many days either for
Uh huh.
the payout either.
Nah, bro. I with Lucid, bro. I use their Flex account, bro.
Their flex?
Yeah.
Wait, why?
I mean, just cause it's like the same rules as Top Step, and then after, like, there's no consistency rule after you pass the account, bro. So you could be taking trades as however much you want.
For real? Cause I did buy a 25K flex, and
Yeah.
I packed it on the first day, but I didn't know about the consistency, and so my target was like
How you pass it
diluted.
on the first day, bro? I thought. What?
What? I just passed it on the first day, but I realized that my target kept going high. You know, it kept going up.
Oh, because bro, whenever you're in the eval, it's like a 50% consistency rule, bro.
Yeah, and that's what I was tripping. I was like, bro, I thought people said that there's no consistency, and then I ended up fucking it up like 2 days later, you know.
Yeah.
And then I just kept trying again, honestly, with like two more accounts.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, well, I mean, I couldn't pass the other two accounts after that,
Well, shit, bro. I mean,
but it's all good though. It's all good.
oh yeah, no, I mean you still have your account there, bro. Right now I'm trading with Apex, bro, which is like, bro, a $20 one-time fee. So it's not like a monthly subscription. It's
Yeah,
like,
low key, bro. I think I'm gonna buy some today, bro. Cause like you said, bro, I didn't know that you could just connect it like with Trading View and Tradeovate.
yeah.
That I didn't know you could just do it like that, bro.
No, I mean now you know, bro. I mean, come on. And the activation fee is only like 79 bucks, bro. So it's like you're still paying the same amount you would for like an eval with another
Yeah,
prop firm.
you just get a cheaper chance at passing it.
Exactly, and if you fail it, then like, yo, I mean, it's just only 20 bucks. Like, bro, that's literally like food right there. Like, bro, I went to like Panda Express and I got myself like some food and it was like 22 bucks. And I was thinking to myself, I'm like, yo, I could just buy an Apex account with this, bro.
Low key, huh?
Yes, bro.
I think I'm gonna do that today, bro. But then I'll probably just wait until like Monday to trade on it.
Shit, hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. I'm gonna try at least like passing this. I'm basically gonna be like, I was thinking low key full porting it, but it's like, yo, I don't want to like risk the whole account. But hey, I mean, if I pass it today, then by next week I'll be chilling. I'll just need to be like farming winning days, and I'll be good.
Yeah. So you know, for the 50K, bro, you think if I just make 1,500 in profit, I should just leave it like that?
For like the past account,
Yeah. Like once I pass it, you think I should just make 1,500 in profit? Cause there's a consistency on the funded, no?
okay, you have the pro account, right?
Yeah, on the pro account.
That's the thing. I don't know what the rules are for the pro account.
I'm pretty sure the consistency is like 40%, bro.
Let me
But
see.
I did my research and I'm pretty sure I need to get like just half of it, and then the next just get the rest in like $500 each trade, and I should be chilling.
Yeah, after a pass, you have to maintain 40% consistency rule. Profitable for 5 days, $100 at least. No, yeah, so bro, no, look, so say like whenever I used to trade with Tradeify, the consistency rule was 40%. So
Yeah,
like you can only take trades of like 1K a day and you can pass in 3 days. So bro, honestly, if you like take trades of 1K, then you're chilling.
yeah, cause that's what ChatGPT told me, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, so yeah, no, just take trades of 1K. 1K or below and you're good.
Yeah, that's what I said. If you just take half of whatever the profit is the first day, and then the rest you just do $500 a trade, then you could be good. That's what
Mm.
popped up.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, no, but I mean, bro, like, yeah, just like stick with around there, bro. Like, if you just stick with around like, 1K, like 1K or below a day, you're chilling.
Yeah, bro, I think I'm gonna do that.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, no, but bro, the thing is with like, say like, bro, if you had a flex account, like, yo, you could literally just pass it and then say like one day you like have an A plus plus setup and get like, say like 3K in the trade, and then all you have to do is just the next few days just get like farming winning days, and then like, bro, you're chilling with
No,
that.
yeah, I was gonna do that, like I said, bro. But since I passed it, like it's cause I got a crazy ass A plus setup. I made like 6K, bro. So then
Bro,
my consistency went fucking crazy, and it was like the first time doing anything with consistency,
yeah,
like of me actually paying attention after I pass it, you know.
yeah,
And then I was so confused, bro, because it just kept going up and up.
bro,
Yeah. But I mean,
yeah,
I think I could reset it for less too.
nah, well, I don't know how much would the reset fee be,
I think they're like $50, bro.
bro.
But it's still less. It's less than the
Nah, but bro,
original.
you could get like two Apex accounts with that, bro.
Yeah, low key, huh? The Apex is better, huh?
Yeah. The only thing is yeah, they have activation fees, but also it's like, I mean, bro, like,
Yeah.
you're still
I mean,
good.
either way, once I pay that, I'll just have to like hit like the minimum targets, no? The
Yeah.
minimum opportunities, and I'll be chilling.
Yeah, bro. Um, damn. Price is moving slow though. Oh, bro. Nah, but how long you been trading for,
Been a
bro?
month, bro. I've been trading for like 9 months, bro.
Like funded accounts or like that also counts with paper trading?
Nah, I actually just I studied the whole thing for like 6 months, and barely in December I started doing fundeds.
Oh shit, did you turn 18 in December?
Yeah, I turned. Yeah, I did. No, I turned 18 in July, but I mean,
Oh.
I wanted to learn the thing first before I got into it, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so I would be like at least like somewhat like I'd somewhat know, you know.
Oh, I yeah, nah. I got my first fundeds in December because that's when I turned 18.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I've only been trading since December on fundeds. Up until now,
How
like
many
I've already
funds
gotten
did you blow, bro?
payouts.
How
What?
many did you blow?
Before I started getting paid, I don't know. I put in at least like 500 to 800 bucks before I actually started getting paid.
For real?
Yeah.
That's what's up, bro.
Yeah, bro.
For me, bro, I think it's just my greed and like my undiscipline, bro. Like my unpatience, bro. Cause with Top Step, I didn't spend as much money like my first month, you know. I
Yeah.
only did 4 accounts and I blew them, you know, like once a week. And then after that, I like got the hang of it more. So in February, bro, I spent like 600 on that.
Uh-huh.
Blew like almost all the money I had. And then yeah, bro, towards the end, oh, actually like last week, bro. The last 2 weeks, bro, I blew like 6 accounts too, bro.
Bro.
Cause I like I'm telling you, bro, I was passing them and I was like, oh, bro, I got this shit. I could get a payout soon. And
Bro.
then I was just revenge trading a lot, bro. And I was like, damn, I was just blowing account after account.
Bro, nah, you gotta start with one, like just work your way up with one once you get a payout and then add another account and just be like stacking up
Yeah,
accounts
bro.
like that, bro.
Yeah, cause I lost like most of my money, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Shit, yeah, me too, bro. Honestly, like, bro, me buying this MacBook made me lose so much money. Like, bro, this is like I spent most of my
Yeah,
payout
bro.
money on this,
Uh-huh.
and bro, hell nah. Like, low key, I could have been smarter with it, but honestly, I mean, I still have this eval right now, so I'm not like so worried about it. And anyways, like, bro, you can work to get money, bro. You can find a way to make money, bro. So,
Yeah, honestly, bro, I there's this new just yesterday, bro. I found this maintenance job in
uh
my
huh,
area, and it seems like they need people, bro. And it's for like it's in a place where like old people go, you know, and just help them around. Like not even help them like groom or anything. It's just like maintenance, bro.
oh hell yeah, bro.
So hopefully I get hired, bro.
Yeah, hopefully, bro. So then you can start making some money for them evals, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Shit, yeah, no, I low
I'll
key.
just wait till summer, bro. Cause in summer, bro, like I either go roof or like I don't know, do something, bro.
Shit, you do roofing, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, hell, not roofing. That's bro. It's
Yeah,
like,
it's ass, bro. I know, bro.
nah, hell, not. Nah, well,
But
you got that.
I put the shingles in, like I know them, so like I'd get paid pretty good.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah, no, I would do in the summer. I would do concrete, bro.
Oh, really? I was
Yeah.
thinking about doing that too with my dad, bro. But since I'm on probation, I can't really
So,
like stay.
bro, you on yo,
Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro.
bro? Why you on probation, bro?
Bro, so I've been in that shit for like a whole year
Yeah.
because originally, bro, I had a vape on me in school last year.
Yeah.
And I got caught with it, but other kids got caught at the same time. And as we were waiting to get called in to like get checked up and shit, there was a trash can, and then we all had like water bottles, like little cups, you know. And as we went in, like we all threw them away, but the guy behind me he threw away the cart in the trash can. So then
Bro.
like they checked the trash can, you know. I don't know why, bro, and they found the cart and shit. And they I don't know they just blamed it on me, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, what?
Yeah, bro. And then hold up, I told like I was fighting for it like in the office and shit. And then the officer was like, "Okay, I'm gonna just charge you with the nick, but you're still gonna get like court and shit." So then in court, that's when they told me that I had a weed charge too, and I was like, "Bro, really?"
Bro, hell no.
I know, bro, but yeah, bro.
Nah,
I should be
bruh.
off like next month though. I ain't chilling, ain't gonna lie.
Bro. And then people that like blamed on you, do you still talk with them or not?
Nah, bro, low key, nah, bro. I don't talk to nobody, bro. I just graduated yesterday, bro. Ain't gonna lie.
Oh shit, yeah, you was saying that.
Yeah, bro. It's cause also like at the end of last year, bro, since I had bad grades, but I was a bad kid and shit.
Yeah.
So honestly, bro, I gave up on that shit. I was like, I'm not gonna do school no more. So then, like on the very last day, bro, I skipped like a whole month straight. And then on the very last day, he was like, "You can go to an alternative school, and you're not gonna come back until you graduate." And I was like, "Okay." And then they were like, "If you lock in, then you could graduate early." And I did so.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
So, but I'm just trying to get a job though. If I could like just fund my way up, you know, like right now that I have more time to like be working and shit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely, bro.
How about
Definitely.
you, bro? Are you a senior or what?
Yeah, bro, I'm finna graduate this year.
Type shit, bro.
Yeah, bro. Just gotta wait. Literally just like 2 more months basically, bro. We got like 60 days left of school, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. Alright, bro. Well, I'm looking at price right now. If we go from this high to this low, you can see that we did get inverse fair value gap retracement. So if we just get this breaker structure to the downside, I'm gonna go shorts.
I bet. Yeah, I was thinking that it was gonna keep going down if it didn't inverse that 1 hour. I was expecting it to inverse the 1 hour and then target the highs, but it didn't when I was at the gym.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Shit. Let me see what people said in the comments. Hold up. How much money you make today, bro? Nothing, cause this is an eval. How do I start if I don't know what I'm doing? DM me and I got you, bro. I'll send you a thing. Kalshi paid me good, bro. What did you bet on? Gonna look for no trades today, bro. There can be a trade. You just gotta find it, bro. Hold up.
For real, you just gotta wait for it low key.
Yeah, it's just like waiting, but also Fridays are low key pretty bad too because like it's the end of the day and it's end of the week and it's like price action can become choppy too. And also all that news came out too, like all of this. So
How do you look at that, bro?
you just search up Forex Factory.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. How long are you gonna be on the live for?
I guess until I take a trade and I'm done, bro. That's literally how long I'm gonna go.
Oh, really? You just try and take like one trade a day or what?
Yeah, at least one trade. But depending on what news there is too, then like yeah, I'm gonna go off of that. But
Yeah.
if it's like CPI, PPI, PMI, and FOMC, I don't take trades on it. And low key, I'm gonna add on unemployment claims too because bro, every single time I've traded on those days, the markets become really bad and choppy. So low key, I'm gonna also add those days in too. Cause that was yesterday, bro. I lost my funded because of that, bro.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, bro.
Saw that, bro, low key. I think it's because you risk too much, bro.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, that I already like. Yeah, that's why I risked way too much, which is like
Yeah,
stupid.
you're aiming for a lot, then. If you would have smacked that, bro.
Oh yeah, nah, I would have gone paid good, bro. Like
Is that
good,
gonna be your
but
highest payout?
is what?
Your biggest payout?
Yeah, I think I would have gotten like 9K from that, bro.
Huh? Because they keep like 90, like 10%, no?
Yeah, nah, with my funded futures, it's 100% yours for first $10,000.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, and they have uncapped payouts, so it's like you don't gotta worry about like them like a certain limit amount they can give you. I think it said they paid people up to of like 100K, bro.
Through different accounts?
I'm guessing, but or not through like a trade like that.
For real?
I think, bro. I don't know.
That's a lot, bro.
Yeah, bro. Paying out 100K, bro. Oh, bro, these markets are so slow, bro.
Nah, for real.
Oh. Still nothing. No confirmation. Look at oil real quick. I entered in at 994.12. All right, bro. Oil 94.12. Hell yeah, bro. You got that.
You don't plan on going to college?
Nah, bro. I plan on just doing this.
Low key, huh?
Yeah, bro. Just gonna be working my social media, everything, bro, and just like go full on this.
Yeah, bro, that's honestly what I was planning to, bro. Just build my social media, and then eventually, like, do like content create content of like how I'm doing, my
Yeah.
lifestyle and shit. Yeah, bro, that's the goal, honestly.
Hell yeah. Nah, bro. Literally, like, bro, I literally gained like 1K followers like on this TikTok in one day from just posting that I bought a MacBook, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro. So it's like it's easy to get followers, bro. You just need to have like first of all get payouts and then have the content like of you buying stuff with it. That's the
Yeah, that's
only
what I was
thing.
thinking, bro. After one payout, I could really like just make my account go like higher, like get more views and shit.
Yeah.
Cause then people actually see the payouts.
Oh
More
yeah.
system.
Yeah, no, but you also gotta make sure you like. For me, at least, I post my losses. I post everything, bro. I don't care. Like, yo, I'm like, yeah, I lost my account. Like, bro, and like, I've always been like that too. Like, people at school, they like ask me, like, yo, like, hey, did you win today? Like, before I was even getting paid, bro. Yeah, I would tell them like, yeah, I'm not making any money, and they would just tell me straight up, like, yo, you're just gambling
Yeah,
and
bro.
all that, and
That's what my family telling me, bro. Ain't gonna lie.
what they was telling you were gambling,
Yeah, they're like, bro, that's like I could do that same thing at the machines at the laundromat, cause they have like
bro.
some vending machine. I was like, bro. They're like, I've made more money gambling than you have. I was like, nigga, shit.
Bro. Yeah, no, these I don't know, bro. These okay. Well, we're getting price starting to drop down right now. If we get this 5 minute break of structure, I'm gonna enter in shorts
Alright, bad, bro.
and see how this plays out. Thanks for helping there. I've been studying the charts. Hey, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up. How's the boot camp going for you and all that? 6 Apex fundeds already. That's what's up, bro. Bro, whatever NQ does, oil does the opposite. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah, I saw that. Inverses. Okay, we can see that the candle starting to form under it, but if we get a strong close, we're gonna go shorts. So hey, we're gonna enter in this trade, but we gotta first wait for that break of structure. We gotta wait. I hit you up, bro. All right, bet. Hey, Gabe, thank you for the roses. Hey, let's go, bro. Got ourselves a heart and 4 roses. Let's go, bro. Let's get this set up. 3 contracts. Gonna be risking the 1K. And getting 3K. Alright, we're gonna get this set up because it's starting to get there, bro. We're just gonna wait and see. Wait for this 5 minute candle close. If we get a good close below that low, then I'm gonna enter in. But you just gotta wait. We still got a minute left on the candle. I have a MacBook too, so I'm ready to try it at Robinhood, but Loki lost track and everything. Up 810 on micros on oil. Trying to hit 3K mark. Hell yeah, bro. Okay, there. We're almost there. Almost there to getting the candle closed below the low, so we're going to enter in shorts shortly if it closes below. You have to wait for that candle to close. And we're risking the whole account. We're basically full porting. So, let's go. All right, looks like we are going to get that close. So, I'm going to enter in shorts. Entered in shorts right now. Gonna see how this treats us. Because we did get that close below. Enter in shorts. Entered in shorts. Going for a 1 to 3.
Alright, let's see how this plays out.
Yeah, I entered in shorts, bro. Did you?
Yeah, I did too, bro.
Alright, bet. We're both in the same trade.
Basically, bro.
Yeah, bro. Let's just see how it plays out. I'm basically risking the whole account right here. I'm going for like a 1 to 3.
Alright, bet.
Yeah, bro. Let's see how this plays out. Hopefully it plays out beautifully, bro. My bias was gonna be bullish too, bro.
Yeah, bro, that's what I was thinking, bro. Since I was up since the morning, bro, like everything was going up since like.
Yeah, 5 in the morning, bro. That was like during where is it at? Like yeah, in London session, bro. Yeah, you're probably seeing that go up and
Yeah,
you're
bro,
like, yo.
I actually caught a trade there, bro. And I made the 200 back, so I had $1,000 drawdown now.
Oh shit, hell yeah, bro.
Yeah. And so then that's what I was waiting for the 1 hour to get inversed, and then I was like, oh, we're gonna keep pushing up.
Yeah, but it didn't. It respected it, right?
Yeah.
Hold up, yeah, let me see it. The 1 hour.
The fair value gap.
Oh yeah, yeah, bro. Yeah, there's the 1 hour gap. It just respected it easily, bro. Yeah, now we chilling, bro. We chilling.
We're chilling now.
We're chilling, bro. This is gonna be an easy trade.
Yeah, bro.
We both passing our accounts, bro. Let's go. Fuck, bro. Bro, why don't you start posting your trades and all that?
It's because I use my brother's MacBook, bro. So not all the time I'm like using it, and I do try and post like my trades, but it's just to my story, bro.
Nah, you got, bro. Just try posting it, bro. Like, you can easily like do it off your phone, bro. Like how I used to post my stuff.
I do it through my phone when I don't have the MacBook, but I just post it on my story, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, you gotta start, bro. The earlier you start posting, bro, the more you can get your content out, and people will start like recognizing you, bro.
No, yeah, no. I actually have another account that I do post, but man, I haven't posted for like a week now.
Damn, bro.
But
Nah, you gotta stay
but yeah, bro, it's
consistent,
good.
bro.
Yeah, low key, bro.
Bro, like say like on this
It's good,
TikTok.
brother. Like, wait, what you gonna say?
I was gonna say like on this TikTok and my Instagram and YouTube, like I try posting at least like once a day in the week, but on the weekends I take breaks. Like I just keep to myself. I just chill.
Yeah.
Nah, hell yeah. Yo, I'm in the same trade. Oh, he wants to get in. All right, bet. Yo, what's up, bro?
Yo, I just caught the trade at 20.
What, bro?
We pulled all the way.
Yo.
Yo,
Uh,
you hear me?
yeah. What were you saying, bro?
Oh yeah, I caught the trade at 24,688.
24-6. Damn, bro. You had your. Oh, you went off of the retrace. The retrace.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Yeah, now you got that.
Yeah, I caught it. I had 5 contracts, and I just hit for like 812.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, that was a good snipe.
Hell yeah. Oh, what's up, Saul?
We had we had an what's it called? I had longs too this morning because of the 1 hour bias, but I got invalidated once we started pushing down.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I was thinking bullish too because there's an SMT that got made and I was like, yo, nah, this we gonna go bullish, but I was waiting till market open to see what it does.
Yeah, that's what I normally do. I mark the 7 to 8 1 hour bias for the hour.
Yeah.
before market, and then I just switch to 5 minute. Once 8:30 opens, then I'll see which one it breaks. Get the retest. We got a retest, but it didn't really hold up there.
Damn, bro. No, well, you
Yeah,
got a
so
good entry, bro.
yeah, I was sitting there just I was watching you as well at the same time, and I'm just sitting here. I'm like, we're gonna have to get in eventually, and it's gonna pull down.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I
And
was
then
waiting. Like, I seen that inverse gap, and I was like, okay, maybe this could be
yes,
the retracement, and it did. If like you put the
we had double
Fibonacci,
shoulders as well on I think 1 minute. I don't know if you've seen them.
the what?
We had double shoulders.
I don't know what that is, bro.
Basically, it's when you have like two highs and they go down.
Oh, like it's stacked up.
Yes, we had those two, and like we weren't getting past that point.
Mm. No, well, I don't trade that, but hey, I mean, if you caught that, bro, like seeing that and it made you get into a trade, bro, that's good.
Yeah, it was a it's something that I seen on what's it called? Like one of the sell positions.
Mm.
Yeah, but nah, as well, like you said, that inverse on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, that as well. There was that as well.
Shit, yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Nah, that I marked this off. This was the 15-minute gap because I was like, yo, it's a higher time frame gap, so it might be more valid, but nah, it still got invalidated.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people had longs today. I'm not even gonna lie to you because the way it was set up, it seemed like it was gonna be longs, but
No, yeah, definitely. I was thinking about getting into longs too. I was like, yo, I'm gonna get in because I was seeing market open like going like this and it was starting to retrace down. I was like, yo, okay, bet I might get into longs. Like I was about to, but bro, good thing I was telling myself like, nah, be patient. Like you have to be patient and wait. Like wait for a break of structure because I had my break of structure up here and then a break of structure down here. So I was like, yo, okay, bet if we see it break, then we're gonna enter in wherever it goes, just like that. That's when I'll enter in.
right, yeah,
But
it
so far it's
definitely
playing out.
it definitely is. Mm, I can't really get off the charts and go back and forth. I'm on the phone right now, so I gotta like stay on here and talk. Because if I get off, it's gonna pause.
Oh no, well, I mean, bro, you can see my charts on here, bro.
Yeah, basically, yeah, that's what I've been doing. Cause I was watching you live, and then I was like, yo, let me get in this.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. How long you been training for, bro?
Dude, I've been trading since, bro. It might sound weird, but like I started a year ago, right?
Uh huh.
But I didn't really get into it like fully. After that, I don't know. Do you remember Alpha 101 from TJR?
No.
Like his prop firm? Yeah, it was a prop firm back then. He used to go off.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, and it used Trade Locker.
Uh
I
huh.
bought one of those like way back, and I didn't know what I was doing, and I blew it.
Bro,
So
I
then
heard he
after
wasn't
that,
paying out people though.
I never passed, so I'm not really sure.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but it's not as popular as it is today. I'm not sure what happened to it.
Bro, I think it's cause like hella people weren't getting paid, bro. I think that's why.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but then like I said, a year later, so I'm gonna say like if we're talking about consistency, like I say like I just started the beginning like around February 6th. I bought another Top Step of this year. I
Yeah.
blew that,
Damn.
and then after that, I got what's it called? I ended up getting a Lucid. I switched to Lucid. I got back on track. I tried to study for like a week or so, and then like I got a payout in like 12 days on Lucid. That was
Hell
the
yeah.
first payout.
How much was the payout?
1,000.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
After that, it went downhill. Like I think this Friday, I blew it, and I had to get back in.
Bro, go to Apex. Go to Apex, bro. Their accounts are $20 and it's a one-time fee.
Yeah, you said go to Apex.
Yeah, bro, their accounts are $20.
Yeah. As of right now, I just like I said, I still have this account. I got like one more account.
Yeah.
So what I did is I had to reinvest the 900 because I blew like a bunch, bro, in the past like couple of days.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, me too, bro. Yeah, me too, bro.
It cooked me, bro. Like Friday when we got that NFP, that cooked me. Last Wednesday when we had I forgot what we had. That cooked me as well. So I got cooked Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and I blew it. And then Monday I bought a new live, and I've been running off that live.
Hell yeah, bro.
The eval. I've been running off that eval.
Up 1.2K on oil, bro. Bro, there's a dude. If like you was in here last live, bro.
Yeah, I was out last week when you were not last week, yesterday night when you were with Nas trading the oil guys.
Yeah, the oil dude, bro. He did guess it to $93, bro. Hey, yeah, Friday. Nah, where is it at?
Trade the oil, it's easy.
Bro, people do say that. Yeah, like trading oil is easy.
How is it easy?
Cause I don't know, because of like how the trends move, I guess. Nah, bro, the dude who said short oil up here, I would have probably gone stopped out, bro. But I mean, he did guess it. Yeah, it would go to 93, but still, yo, it's dumping right now, bro. Up 500 right now, bro. And see, look, with Apex too, you can pass it in one day. Bro, they both keep cutting out.
Yeah, bro, take a chill after you pass them.
The what?
Like, let's say, like, bro, the Apex is looking a good deal right now.
Oh yeah, $20 for an account, bro. 50K.
Bro, and I was actually gonna buy some last week, but I told my friend not to, cause I'm trying to like show him,
Yeah.
And I told him that I wasn't going to, cause last time since I bought one,
Uh-huh.
I couldn't figure it out. I just thought my computer wasn't compatible, honestly.
Nah, bro, you can literally connect Tradeovate to it, bro.
Yeah, I just figured it out.
Oh yeah, and the trend's way easier. Like, look at oil real quick. I'm up 1.2K. It's going to be longs again because of the war. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's also too with oil, bro. Like, say like whenever like Maduro got captured, like oil shot up like a ton because or no, I think it dumped a lot because whenever you get more oil, it makes the prices go down more. I think I don't know, bro, but like whenever stuff like that happens, like yeah, like it
Yeah,
makes
cause
oil like really predictable to take trades on.
um,
Nah, same thing with gold, bro. Like whenever all the war stuff was happening, gold was like moving like crazy. Where like even
gold was always moving up, bro. Honestly,
yeah, and like even
Bro,
prop
actually-
firms.
I started blowing my accounts because of gold when it dropped. Like, when it dropped like a month ago.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Bro, that's when I blew all my accounts, bro.
bro. You was in longs,
Yeah, bro.
bro. It's like this one TikTok I seen. It's like a dude acting like he was like talking to his like Well, you ever watch Interstellar?
Nah, like I watched parts of it.
Nah, well, you know that one scene where it's like the dad like looking into the past and he's like banging on the window. He's like, no, no,
Nah, I haven't, bro. Okay.
bro. That's like probably the most popular clip from. Nah, well, there's a scene where like okay, well, no, it's the scene where it's like there's like a guy like to a chair and then he's watching like his son like record videos and he's like growing up.
Oh yeah, I've seen that part.
Yeah, it was like a dude reenacting that, and then he was like, hey dad, so you know what they say about Bitcoin right now? It's at like 100 and I think at most it was like 124,000. He's like, it's right now it's at 124,000. So I sold everything and I'm buying it right now. And bro, same thing with gold. Like gold's up like right now like so much, and silver too. I'm gonna put everything
Yeah, I
in
looked
because
at silver too, bro. I was like, that shit's going up.
yeah, bro. But then everything after that just started dumping, bro. Hell no.
That's crazy.
Now, well, that one dude said he's up 1.5K from oil.
That's thugs right there, bro.
Nah, but you could see like, yo, Loki, you could probably take SMTs also off of, or no, inverse relationships with oil and Nasdaq, bro, because they both move opposite.
Do people be doing that shit or what?
I mean, you can look at the charts. Like, look, this is Nasdaq, but then if you look at oil, it's like the reverse. You
Yeah.
see? So, bro, that low key might be the move. Oil. I'm gonna add oil into my strategy, bro. I'm gonna be like, yeah, this is a new strategy. Oil.
Just look at oil and inverse that shit.
Yes, bro. Bro, SMTs work better for oil. Bro, hold up. Nah, it wouldn't be an SMT. It would be an inverse relationship. It would be like
Like
how
it's straight up inverse, low key.
yeah, it's just an inverse relationship. It's not SMTs. SMTs would be like they both move the same, like Nasdaq and S&P 500.
One moves like faster than the other.
Yeah,
Yeah, I learned about that. I used to when I started trading Nasdaq, cause I used to just do gold. I
yeah,
would do that. Look at both of them.
yeah. Nah, bro. No, SMTs low key are like, bro, they are good, bro. I love
They're
using
like guys, bro,
SMTs.
for real.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yo, what's up,
Oh,
bro? It's dumping right now, bro.
yeah, I know.
Bro, we gonna pass this, bro, and then try it by the end of the month, get a payout, bro.
Yeah, I'm on my way back to the fundeds now. Like I said, I'm on this Lucid what's it called? Lucid Eval.
Yeah.
Like it's one of my last ones, and I'm just like I've been like just going off a thread.
Yo.
I've been scalping. Yesterday I had a scalp. Like I think like I scalped like 400.
Bro,
Like,
you
of,
be
like,
scalping,
shorts.
bro?
Yeah, I had a scalp. Like I had I was doing like 50 to 100, and I was just scalping the shorts because I heard yesterday was a good day for shorts. Like you could catch an uptrend and then a down.
Yeah, nah, yesterday, bro, markets were so choppy, bro. I lost my account yesterday, bro, because of that. Because it was just bad, bro. I was going to go longs on that.
Too bad. Like I figured yesterday was gonna be like that, like short, because I did catch the short,
Uh-huh.
and I was just going down like off the trying to scalp the shorts as I went. Like I
Uh-huh.
wasn't trying to risk too much.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. The consistency rule. So I'm
Uh-huh.
kind of just like doing it like one day at a time.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, but hopefully once I get back up there, the funded, and I get a payout, hopefully by next week, I should get funded by next week.
Hell yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, bro.
Nah, but everybody that caught the trade today,
Hey, yeah, nah, for real, bro. This is low-key like an easy read.
yeah.
Like, it
That
wasn't...
validation right there, it ain't going back up. You already got chopped.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, nah, we chilling, bro.
We're chilling.
Boom, bet. Like, yeah, I might have lost my funded yesterday, but we're literally gonna get funded again because you're able to pass Apex accounts in a day, bro. So, yo.
Yeah. Did you see the new alpha feature update?
Nah, bro, what's up with it?
What's it called? They had what was it? It was they just added 25. You can buy like a 25K on them now.
Yeah.
And I think it's a lot easier to pass those as well. Yeah, so they made it a lot easier to pass apparently.
Shit.
New Alpha Trader platform.
What, bro?
They got like a new Alpha Trader platform, like Alpha Futures.
Oh yeah, they did. I saw
Oh, like where you trade on it?
Yeah, basically like how we have
Top Step?
yeah, basically yeah, like that. They had like Project X and stuff.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now they have like their own setup,
Shit.
like their own platform, kind of.
basically yeah. Man, I'm not even gonna lie. If I was on that funded, I would have been good. I would have let it ride down all the way down.
Not for real.
There's no consistency on that. I would have been good.
For real, though.
lie. Today's a good day to end off the Friday compared to last Friday. I'm not even
Oh
gonna
yeah,
lie.
last Friday was just no hell no that.
Terrible, dude. It was bad.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, but that oil guy, like you were saying, yeah, he got that right.
Yeah, bro. I mean, yeah, it did come back up to where he said like, oh, entering shorts, like it went past it. Like you would have been like in what is it? He said like 98 or something. Or no, I think it's like right here. I would have like been like in a bit for like a stop, but it did hit 93 though, so
Right. Yeah, because towards the end it started dumping a little bit.
yeah. Like in London session, that's when it was dumping.
Right.
But yeah, no, yeah, you can catch an inverse relationship with Nasdaq and oil, bro.
Really, yeah.
Yeah, cause you could see like the trends are like exactly opposite. It's like if you were to like put a mirror on it.
Right. Yeah, I see what you're doing. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Up 1.7K off of 10 micros. Hell yeah, bro. I'm loving oil so much. I'm gonna stop trading NQ and start trading oil. Not gonna, bro. I mean, hey, if it works for you, bro, it works. We hit? Not yet, bro. We are in the trade and we're up like almost 800, bro. It literally matches the trend and everything instead of being choppy like NQ and having to wait. I guess, bro. I mean, yeah. Hey, yeah, no, I mean, yeah, you can see like all of this was just like that, but yeah, if you just waited, you could have low-key caught that. Shoot, but where are you aiming at? I'm aiming for like a 1 to 3. I'm aiming to 24,101 on Nasdaq. It's a 1 to 3. So it's gonna be past the 1 hour lows and London lows. And yeah, that's where I'm targeting, bro. And it's getting close to the 4 hour lows.
Wait, what's your take profit?
24,101.
Why is it 24 1?
Yeah.
I looked. I thought it was gonna take the lows from yesterday, but it didn't even make it there.
Yeah, no, I didn't.
That would have been I feel like that would have been a good long. If
The
it would've
lows from
reached-
yesterday, like previous lows?
Yeah. Like the bias for 7 to 8. I still have it from yesterday.
No, well, bro, I caught longs after that, bro. Whenever it was London session, I was on S&P and I took longs after that, and it was going good. But not with that
Yeah,
account.
yesterday, yeah, you caught you're talking about yesterday afternoon, right? On the live?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. I'm talking about today, though. Like, if it would have kept going up, it would have got the low for yesterday, from previous buys yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, nah, bro. 300 points, nah, bro. That's like 500 right there, which is low key like damn, bro. But it's cuz I'm going in also with 3 contracts and I'm not like trying to use like a lot, which I could have low key, then I probably would have passed it faster, but nah, I'm gonna just chill with this.
Yeah, I'm kind of set for today. I'm done. I'm getting off the charts for today.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. So
You like Central Time or Eastern Time?
Central Time, bro.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we got the same time zone.
Hell yeah, bro. Where you stay at, bro?
I stay by like Louisiana and stuff.
By Louisiana?
Yeah.
Or like you're in Texas or Alabama?
That's by Florida, bro.
Not like Texas, like right around like the
really?
center.
Shit, right around the center of Texas?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm in Texas too, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I'm around Fort Worth.
Oh, yeah, I got people down there.
Shit, hell yeah, bro.
The guy said he's for how much I'm loving these trade aids.
Oh hell no, bro.
Bro's having fun with the charts, he said.
Yo, bro. Yeah, nah, but I might low-key hop off, bro, because I got hella stuff to do around the house.
Nah, I feel you. Yeah.
Yeah,
like
so
I said, I was just trying to get on this, you know.
hell yeah, bro. Yeah, no, you follow me, bro?
Yeah, I followed you yesterday. Yesterday when you were on live with Nas.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, I followed you back, bro.
Oh yeah, then we're good.
I bet, bro. Then yeah, I'm gonna probably head off live. Probably gonna do a trade recap over this on my YouTube, just like after it's done. But, yeah, I'm gonna head out.
Alright.
All right, see y'all.
Stay safe.
Enjoy your guys' day.
All right,
too.
yeah, you too, bro.
Likewise.
All right, see y'all.
Peace out.
What if I just called the low a day, bro? I just need 573. 24573. That's it. Bulletproof. No, don't do this to me. 24573, please. Please. Hey, bro, come on. You never on my side. Just one time, 24573. We'll call it a day. We'll be done with it. 24573. I get out of the trade. We're all happy. I'm gonna just full TP here, I think. I am a little scared. Look, the first red candle is starting to present itself. Yeah, I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. Alright, I'm trailing my stops here. Worst case, we get stopped out here. If not, it's full TP or that. It's full TP or that. Halfway up, halfway down. One or the other. Halfway up,